Leveling surveyors in Manesar play a crucial role in the construction industry. They are responsible for measuring and determining the relative heights of different points on a construction site. This information is essential for designing and constructing buildings, roads, and other infrastructure projects. With their expertise in using various leveling instruments and techniques, leveling surveyors ensure that the site is prepared accurately and efficiently. Manesar, located in the state of Haryana, has witnessed rapid industrial growth in recent years. As a result, there is a high demand for leveling surveyors in this area. These professionals are hired by construction companies, architects, and engineers to carry out accurate surveys and provide precise measurements for their projects. Whether it is a small residential building or a large commercial complex, leveling surveyors ensure that the construction site is level and meets the required specifications. One of the key tasks performed by leveling surveyors in Manesar is SCON design. SCON refers to the layout or plan of a building or structure. It includes the positioning of walls, doors, windows, and other elements to create a functional and aesthetically pleasing space. Leveling surveyors use their expertise to accurately measure and mark the locations of these elements on the construction site. This helps architects and engineers visualize how the building will look once it is constructed and make any necessary adjustments before the actual construction begins. With its ever-growing population and infrastructure development projects, there is a constant need for professionals who can provide accurate measurements and surveys. Leveling surveyors in Delhi work closely with architects, engineers, and construction companies to ensure that the construction sites are properly leveled and meet all safety and regulatory requirements. Leveling surveyors are essential to the Manesar construction sector. On a construction site, they are in charge of measuring and figuring out the relative heights of various places. For the planning and execution of infrastructure projects like building and road construction, this knowledge is crucial. Leveling surveyors make sure that the site is prepared precisely and effectively thanks to their knowledge in the use of various leveling tools and techniques. In recent years, Manesar, which is in the state of Haryana, has had a significant rise in its industrial sector. As a result, leveling surveyors are highly sought after in this region. Construction businesses, architects, and engineers use these experts to conduct detailed surveys and offer precise measurements for their projects. Leveling surveyors make sure the construction site is level and meets the necessary requirements, whether it is a modest home structure or a huge commercial complex. SCON design is one of the main duties carried out by leveling surveyors in Manesar. The term SCON describes the design or arrangement of a construction or building. It involves placing walls, doors, windows, and other components in a way that makes a space both visually beautiful and useful. The locations of these components on the construction site are precisely measured.